control this from your phone anywhere you are. You can get notified. If you're running 2 of them, if you're running 3 of them, you're able to properly prep yourself, plan your routes, what products to load on your truck, and it's gonna allow you to understand the numbers and the economics behind this, so that your return on investment is not a mystery to you, so that you can know exactly how much you're profiting from your vending operation. Now let's talk about this puppy here, because this is the base of it. The reason why we did this base is because we wanted something that was gonna work for everybody, something that was not gonna be ridiculously expensive, because yes, vending machines are a lot of components. This is not something easy. This is something that requires a lot of parts, a lot of labor. So we did a lot of testing. We wanted to make sure that this model is the one that we got right, basically out of the box. And it did take us 3 years to get it more or less right, because believe it or not all vending is the same. Everybody has different needs, everybody has different problems, and we needed a system that was gonna solve all of those problems for everybody. Something that was gonna be easy to use, easy to set up, versatile, expandable. A machine that you could get right now, and 5 years in the future, you can still reinvent what it can do, right? This is the core of the VMFS system. And let's take a look at the inside. So this is the unit right here. It's a beautiful unit. It's very easy to use. It has this pop-up trays, that way you can fully slide them out, and it's light. It's not, you can see that it's solid, but it's a very light thing to use, where I'm not struggling to put this in and out, right? It's got these wheels here to make sure that they're always gonna go in there properly. And then this is very easy to customize, right? You can increase the height of the trays. You can pull these slots out, and you can increase the width, so that if you're selling a wider product, you're able to put a wider product in there, and if you're selling a smaller product, you're able to put a smaller product in there. If you don't need the tray at all, you can just move it entirely out, and you can get more space to fit bigger products. But this unit, this as it comes, is perfect for a lot of people who are just getting started. Just over here, you can put in your snacks. You have a big capacity for snacks, and here as well. This is where you can put your chips. If you notice, these ones have the 2 coils linked together on the same tray. Now here we get 2 snacks. If you notice, these are very high capacity coils, where they're very thin in between, and they'll allow you to go back there. Now back to the basics of the machine. All of this, you can beat this thing up, you can mess it up. If you notice, the back here, this is where the motors are. This is just one piece that can come in and out. The coils, they can snap in and out. All of this can be easily fixed. We spent a lot of time making sure that this part was good, that it was easy to use, that it was affordable. That way you can make your changes, optimize and upgrade over time without having to need a technician. The most thing that you're gonna need is a video tutorial, which we will provide, and if we gotta hop on the phone with you and teach you this on the phone, we got you. We'll hop on with Zoom and we'll make something dedicated for you. But if you can see here, we have 60 slots, which means you can be selling 60 SKUs in this one unit, okay? And if you wanna sell different products, you can configure it differently. But it's one of the smart ones. It's cool, makes it part of the base system, because if you don't need that refrigeration, right, you can get it without refrigeration, and you can just sell snacks only. That's gonna lower the price and make it more easy for you to have snacks on one unit, and then you can have beverages on the other. On the other hand, if you want everything to be beverage, you can get that entire unit made just for beverages. That way you don't have to struggle in case you're having multiple units in multiple locations. Everything's part of the same lineup, everything's part of the same family, and it's now all the little details that matter, like this LED light here that matters. The shell, this is our standard insulation shell and our standard compressor. However, if you're putting an outdoor configuration, this shell gets wider, gets bigger, gets more potent. We use actual foam instead of injection to make sure that it's a bit better. This over here are vending sensors to make sure that you are not vending more than we have to, and this is gonna allow us to make sure that we have good accountability in case something doesn't vend. You don't have those problems where customers are complaining that the machine took away their money. No, if the machine does not vend, they'll get an automated refund. Here we have the 4G antenna. This is got your Wi-Fi antenna. This is gonna allow you to connect the machine to either Wi-Fi or 4G and give you the most flexibility for connectivity. That way you have the whole hardware online. You can know how the temperature sensors are doing. You can know how the drop sensors are doing. If somebody shakes the machine, if anything happens, you can get notified by those things. Over here is your control board. There's the space for you to put your SIM card if you opt for the 4G module to be inside of it. This is your bill collector. So this is where you grab your money from. Comes in and out, and you can have a couple in case you're going to multiple locations. You can just have a brand new one, put it in, and you're good to go. The other cool part about all of this is it's very modular. Here you have some extra parts to give you some extra connection already. This is your sensor, this is what locks into the base, and then over here is your payment module that's gonna collect your coins and your bills, and it's gonna provide your change. Every unit is gonna come with some spare motors, spare parts, and a user manual inside, but we're swapping all of them to digitally, so you should be able to also get your digital manual.